Yo, what's up, guys? We are actually in east coast of Zanzibar. This place called um, it's a part of the Paje, but also this place called Jambiani. It's like 10-minute drive to Paje, which is the east coast. There are tons of it's very local here, like local houses, but also tons of guest houses, restaurants. It's very Zanzibar style with the palm trees, coconuts hanging on the tree. Yeah, it's awesome. Africa, baby. Jambiani villas. Convenience store. It's an interesting village. And over there on the right side, over that way, all the way down this way, that's where the beach is. White sand beach. And this is the village, Jambiani village. Local houses. I'm actually standing in Paje. So I come all the way down from Paje to Jambiani walking. It's about 40 minutes, 1 hour walk, and I'm going back. I came by a walk through the beach, and now I'm going back through the village, all the way up, and then I will be in the main road and just walk all the way back to Paje. You can see the houses with the houses built with the coconut tree leaves. That's what they use to build the roofs.
Hello.
Hey, Jumbo.
What is your name?
How are you? Waj. What's your name? Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. Yeah, it's a very traditional village. Assalamu alaikum. It's people. Jumbo. People know some Arabic here. Hi. Salam. It's really interesting to just take a walk around here. There are not much tourists here. Everybody stays on the beach. They don't really explore the village that much. So yeah. It's beautiful. You can see it rains just like 30 minutes ago. It was heavy rain. In the morning it does rain a little bit. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah. It's great. It's super safe. Everyone is nice. And as you guys know, right now is the holiday. It's an Eid holiday, so Ramadan is finished and everybody is chilling, not doing much, just relaxing. As you guys see, it's a lovely walk. It's a beautiful walk. Definitely recommended. Through the village. I think that is a mosque over there. I think this is a mosque, I guess. Is this a mosque? Masjid? Okay, yeah, she said, yeah. It's a mosque. Yeah. Masjid ar-Rahman. Yeah, look at that, man. It's awesome. Walking through the village is just so beautiful feeling. It's an amazing feeling. feels like you are in middle of nowhere. Banana restaurant. I think this is owned by a foreigner. There are a lot of places owned by foreigner people, especially French, Polish, Russians. They invest in a lot of money here in Zanzibar in general. So as you guys know, Zanzibar has 4 parts of the island, right? So you get the east coast, which that's where I am right now, and then you get the west coast, which is where Stone Town is, and then you get the north of the island, which is Unguja, and then you get the south. That's where people goes, and that's where everybody yeah, that's where everyone goes. Like that's where most people live too, local people. So 4 parts of the island, and yeah, so I've been to all of them, the 4 of them, and it's really beautiful actually. Like they're all different, they're all very different. The west coast is the Stone Town, so that's the village, the main village of the island, the biggest village. And the other parts, they all look like this place, just local African villages with the tons of coconut trees, palm trees, and yeah, banana trees. We see a tricycle. You see that's a store, local store. They sell like convenience store. And yeah, like a lot of people use bicycles here. A lot of people use bicycles to go around from beach to another. Yeah. You get some ducks here. They actually come and swim in this water. See, the beach is just right down there. Some ducks. Hakuna Matata. Yeah, some chicken. Chicken right here. And I'm just taking you for a walk, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Asante sise maskani Jambiani. I hope you enjoy it, guys. You want to see my face? All right. Hakuna Matata, my friend. Yeah. It is what it is. So you get Airtel here. Airtel is one of the communication company. Wi-Fi, internet, cell phones. These are like restaurants, local restaurants. They sell barbecue skewers and hey, my friend, Jumbo. Yeah, it's a local store, fruits, vegetables. The more you go inside, the more I walk inside, the more local you get. It's super local here. There is some smoke. I think that's an oven. Yeah, there's another mosque, I guess. Yeah, that's a mosque right here. So again, it's a holiday. That's why you see all the kids are out playing with each other and yeah, just taking it easy. It is what it is. I'm just gonna go all the way up to the main road and then yeah, so they're enjoying food stuff. Salam. Yeah, that is what it is, baby. Our friend is. Assalamu alaikum, my friend. How are you? Good, thank you so much. He said karibu, so means welcome. Really, people are so nice. This is African painting shop. You can see it's It's nice. And again, on the right side, we get the another store that sells fruit and vegetables, and some kids playing around. Yeah, it's great. Hi, man. How are you? Yeah, people are nice. Yeah, some fire coming out from somewhere. We can take this way. I think we took a left time. Let's see this shop. They sell again. These things are made from the palm trees. Take this way. See, there is no tourist here. It's super local. Sera, my friend, sera. Jumbo, how are you, man? Good. What? Mambo. No, he's asking about weed. Ah, man, this guy. He's asking if I want some weed. I'm like, no, man, I'm okay. Yeah, we can go inside this way. Take the right side, or we can just keep it straight. Yeah. Mambo is like hello. Rain is coming back, I think. It used to be, actually it's a rainy season now. When I was in Stone Town, it rained like almost every day for like 2 weeks, full 2 weeks, heavy rain. But now just a few times a week. See, they are building the roof. Hey, thank you, man, thank you. Asante, asante, amigo. Yeah, they're building the roof, putting wood and then the slips. Hey, how are you, my friend? Say hi to everybody. They sell scooter. They rent scooters here. See, if you want, the number is over there. Yeah. This alley has just a local houses, super local. See, very local. That's super green. Very green. Banana trees. Jumbo. I think we are close to the main road. A bit further that way. And in Tanzania, they have a lot of Japanese cars. As you see, this one on the left is Toyota. And they actually got a lot of cars from Japan. Yeah, this one too, like Toyota as well. Jumbo, my friend, Jumbo. Very nice. The kids are very nice here. This is actually like station, taxi station. Yeah, Toyota. A lot of Japanese cars. Toyota over there. And this one, Nissan? No. Toyota as well. Wow. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoying the the walking tour of Jambiani. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give us follow and subscribe to the channel for more beautiful, interesting videos about traveling, about people. We do really appreciate that a lot. Yeah. Yeah, almost there. This one is a Jumbo Plaza. It's like a supermarket. That's the main road right there. Yeah, another Toyota here on the right. See? They're all Japanese cars. Thank you so much, guys. We're gonna wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and give us a follow. Thank you so much. Peace from Tanzania, Zanzibar. I will see you soon from a different video. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Enjoy. Bye bye.